outreach for Dr. Aijaz Fatima Women and Child Center.
In Pakistan, nearly 30 million women face period poverty, lacking access to basic menstrual hygiene products.
Our project aims to deal with these challenges by providing sustainable menstrual hygiene solutions like reusable pads and menstrual cups, as well as provide education to reduce stigma.
Sindh, being the most flood-prone province in Pakistan, was severely affected by the 2022 floods, displacing millions and worsening health risks for women, including infections and mental distress caused by poor menstrual hygiene management.
This project aims to enhance health, dignity, and resilience amongst women in the disaster-prone areas. On behalf of Dr. Aijaz Fatima Women and Child Center, we look forward to working with you and helping Pakistan overcome period poverty. Thank you.